An AC adapter, AC-DC adapter, or AC-DC converter is a type of external power supply, often enclosed as a case similar to the to an AC plug. Other common names include plug, pick and plug in, uh, adapter, block, domestic main adapter, line power adapter, Wilmot power break, will change and power adapter. Adapter for battery powered equipment. Equipment might be described as charger or recharges. See also battery charger. AC inverter is used with electrical electrical device that require power but do not contain internal component component to driver the required voltage and power of manpower. The internal gravity of the external power supply is very similar similar to the design that would be used for a boiler and or internet supply. External power supplies are used both with eco- equipment with no other source of power and with battery powered equipment where the hobby with po- plug it in the can sometime charger charge the battery in addition of powering the equipment. Use of an external power supply allowing portability portability of equipment for and data by means or battery without the added block of internal power component and mark